Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nadira Amira binti Ali, and today me and my team member groups from the group 4 we present our first project. The business that we choose is essential. First, I will introduce my member teams groups. First is Nusharina binti Zalazwan, and second one is Barkis Mashara binti Ahmad Sufaili, and the last one is Saida Nafisa binti Azari. And the topic that we discuss is the background of the business, characteristic of the business, classifications business items, recording process of the business, and the last one is the strengths and the weakness of the recording.
I'm going to explain about essential background. The business was located at number 7, Jalan Legenda 1, Taman Legenda 1, 74500 Melaka, where the area are very strategic and easy for customer to find. Essential is a sole proprietorship business. The business was founded by Miss Nur Aina binti Samsudin. Essential registered under Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia SSM to run their business. Ms. Raina started her business with 30,000 ringgit Malaysia using her own money. Ms. Raina ran a business selling scarf and inner that's suitable for all women. She has 4 employees and the hours of operation are from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Her company also uses Bank Islamic Malaysia as the company's bank.
So here, I will discuss about the business category for Essential. First is registrations. Essential will register under by Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia SSM to conduct business activity legally, where all the company in Malaysia must be registered under by SSM before doing any business activity. Next category is the capital. Capital is contributed by Norini binti Shamsuddin. The amount capital is RM30,000 ringgit. Then ownerships. Essential ownerships is owned by one person only, and for the management and the control, it be managed and controlled by the owner itself. Furthermore is liability. For the liability essentials is a limited liability because essential is a sole proprietorship business, which means if the business fails and the assets are enough to cover all the debts, the creditor have a right to gain the owner personal properties because the owner is a personal liable for all the debts of the business. And then a profit and loss. Profit and loss is a statement financial report and it has been shown how much business has spent and earned over specific times, usually in the end of the month. It also shows the business made the profit or loss over the times. And the last category is a books and the account, which a non-legal account be obligation to keep the books and prepare the account for the essentials. That's all from me, and I will pass to the fellow presentations to the container presentation.
I would like to present about the classification of business items. There are 5 elements of accounting in managing the business, which are assets, expenses, liability, owner's equity, and revenue. We will go through one by one. The first element of business items is asset. Asset is the properties owned by the business which brings future economic benefits. There are 2 types of asset. First is current asset. Current asset can be defined as something that can convert into cash. For example, Essential has cash in hand, cash at bank, and debtor. For non-current asset, they are physical items that has long-term investment for the business and cannot be easily converted into cash. In Essential, they got furniture, for example, office chair, office table, sofa, iron steam, and wardrobe. The second element of business item is expenses. Expenses is the money spent or cost incurred in the business. For Essential, the expenses is salaries and wages paid to the workers, maintenance for equipment, utility, and other expenses. Next, the third element of business item is liability. Liability is amount owned by the business for the third parties. It includes loan from bank overdraft, and account payable. For Essential, their liabilities is account payable. The owner, Puan Naraina, has purchased 5,000 ringgit on credit to buy their short stock from Nilai Sdn Bhd. The first item is capital. Capital contributed by the owner itself to start the business. For essential, Puan Naraina has brought in second-hand vehicles for daily errands and used their own saving for the business. And last but not least is revenue. Revenue are based on the gross profit or increase or the amount that the business earn from selling goods or their daily business activities. For this company, revenue is sales that are coming from selling their product, which is shawl. That's all from me. Thank you.
I am going to talk about on how Essential do the recording process of the business. Essential is a retailing business that provides and sells groceries to people in Taman Legenda Melaka. This business has one main recording process, which is the source documents. Essential use Microsoft Excel as their main application where they use to keep track on their expenses of their daily business. As example, the owner of Essential record the cash flow of money that goes in and out from the business. Essential jotted down the cash flow of the business at the end of the day based on the sales they receive. The owner also record every amount of the cash that the business have to spend. When the owner first started the business, she did some other recording process, which are the journal entry and ledger. The owner even prepared the statement of profit or loss to keep track of her business to run smoothly, but now due to her getting older, she only remained the source document as a business main recording process, as there is no obligation for a sole business to keep the book and prepare accounts. In a nutshell, only source document left as the main recording process of Essential.
Now, I will explain about the strength and the weakness that I got from recording process. I will start into the positive side of doing this type of recording process. First, it helped to maintain the business. By recording the transaction, Essential can monitor the cash flow that goes in and out. Essential owners started recorded the cash flow in Microsoft Excel at the end of the day so that she can conclude on how many she received and spent on that day. Second, by recording process, it can be seen as a legal proof. Every transaction will be recorded in Microsoft Excel so that there will not be any shortage amount of money. The Microsoft Excel works as a legal evidence so that Essential do not have to worry about the shortage and can run their business smoothly. Lastly, by recording the information their money cash flow in the Microsoft Excel, it can help to prevent and defect fund activities that happen in the business. By having the systematic order during the recording process, the management of Essential can detect any error that happen in their business. Now, let's moving to the weakness of having this recording process. First, manipulate of record can happen at Essential when they use Microsoft Excel as the main application of the recording process for document. Microsoft Excel document can be edited by irresponsible individual that might use the cache for their personal use. Lastly, it may provide information incorrect during the recording process. The owner's ability to memorize all the transactions that happen in a day may lead to assumption and be completely incorrect. Inadequate information may cause a shortage or excess of cash, which may cause Essential not to get an accurate cash flow record for the day.
So in this presentation, we have discussed the background of the business, the characteristic of the business, the classification of the business item, the recording process of the business, and the strength and the weaknesses of the recording process in this business. So this take you from us to end our presentation. Thank you for watching.